that bond ashille period, as I repeatedly say, because there are two issues. Recently, the license been hiked like anything, 60,000 and 80,000. Reason given is you are serving your in-house guest. But I think this should be opposite. See, roadside bar and restaurant, no, their investment is not the guest. Whoever is come, they serve. I'm not against them. I'm just giving you an example. But in-house guests, it's no guarantee that they are going to eat and drink with you. It's a tourist culture all over the world. You stay in a hotel and eat somewhere else. ज्या हॉटेलान गेस्ट रावता त्या नाजाल्यार बिचीर शेकां कित्याक घालता आसले शेकवाले टुरिस्ट हाडटा शेकवाल्या कडेन हॉटेल ना बट शेकवाले कित्याक सस्टेन जाता बिकॉज 5 स्टार हॉटेलांनी गेस्ट रावता म्हूण सस्टेन जाता आनी आमकां तो म्हणटा युअर लायसन्स फी हॅज टू बी मोर बिकॉज यू आर ब्रिंगींग फॉरेन टुरिस्ट. That's what we have told the court. This is not correct. The fee has to come down. That is one subject. Second thing, ever since we see March, April, May, June, July, August, September, till date we are closed. Now we are appealing to the government not to charge during the close period. Please don't charge us. When we are open, we will pay. If we are open for a quarter of the year, we will pay for a quarter of the year. A roadside bar, it is with swimming pool. That's the reason the fee is more. So, but the swimming pool is not allowed to open. The charter flights are not yet started. We cannot see anything. This looks like in front of our eyes. There is no charter demand. There is no charter company has announced it. And ye amko manta tu hotel open kar, bar open kar, fee high kar. ओपन केल्यार सॅलरी चालू जाता एक गेस्ट ना भोव खास करून कोस्टल बेल्टान एक गेस्ट ना आनी बारांत एक गेस्ट ना आनी जे गेस्ट नासले बार तो ओपन करता आनी आपल्या फी हाय आनी द फी ही सामकी आयकुपाक न्ही 60,000 80,000 फी अशी 10,000 फी जाल्ली जर तो 5,000 फी जाल्ली जाल्यार ओके तूं फारीक कर आनी ओके राव बार ओपन कर नाका यू नीड टू कंट्रिब्यूट टू द स्टेट इज इन बॅड पोजिशन. So okay, we are in bad position. We need to pay our staff. But in spite of that, let's say our bar fee is just 5,000. You pay it and forget it. No problem. The 80,000 bar fee, 60,000 bar fee. So we approached to court. And when we approached to the court, the hearing was on 14th August. 14th August, and it was heard by Justice M.S. Sunak. And when he heard this, he said, you need to go to Finance Secretary, discuss and tell your grievances and come back to the court. So that our case is not been dismissed nor admitted. The Finance Secretary is given 4 weeks time to hear us and come back to go back to court. आता हे मदेकार सबजुडिस आसतना एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट लोकांक फोन करता आनी सांगता युअर बार लायसन्स वील गेट कॅन्सल यू कम एंड प्लीज पे. सो दे आर ऑन वॉर फुटींग टू चार्ज द पीपल and it is not, as I said repeatedly, it is not 5,000 or 2,000 or 10,000. It is 60,000 and 80,000 the bar attached to the hotel. This is the cost. So we can't afford to pay this for a closed hotel. When the hotel is closed, we can't afford. We can't afford to pay salaries. When we had 2 bad seasons, one is because of Thomas Cook going crash last year. Second is bad because of COVID at the tail end. And the fourth thing I'm sorry to tell, let it go on the press, but to tell you, 14 crores outstanding in Russian market. The hoteliers need to pay in South Goa 14 crores. The last tail end, Russia has not paid, according to the tour operator in Goa, Russia has not paid to local tour operator. Hence, we will not pay. Now, we don't know how far this is true. Government is not helping us to get this money from Russia, nor government is trying to be a mediator in between to discuss this issue with the tour operator. The only thing we can do, go to court. Now, through court, how many cases we will fight? Every hotelier has outstanding with the tour operator. And still, excise is asking money. Excise has no right to ask money when the matter is sub judice. They said we are unaware about it. But who has to tell? Government to government been not telling to each other's department. That is really pathetic condition of the present way of working. And it is very sad, we can't afford. आमकडे जायना फारीक करपाक.
सीएमा बी अप्रोच जाल्ले तुमी हेजे पयलीं?
आमी सीएमाक फाटले 8 म्हयने लेटर दीत आहा that please hear us, we want to meet. Till date, no appointment. We have given our representation to Excise Commissioner of Goa, and after giving representation, he has never called us. We called the office several times that we want to talk to him. They don't want to talk to us.